Alright, welcome back, cruisers. So we booked this room, well, we didn't book this room, but we booked a cruise on the Carnival Paradise with less than 24 hours before time to take off. So we got on board, we didn't actually have a room, but I'll explain that also. But so we did finally get a room, and unfortunately for someone, they I guess couldn't make it, and it was their birthday, so our room is pre-decorated. It's pretty nice. We've got the beds here, they're gonna go ahead and split. We got lots of outlets, USB ports, both sides of the bed. They're actually not working right now, so we're gonna have to talk to the room steward about that. We'll go ahead and get the bed split into two twins. We did get upgraded to a window view. The room we booked was inside cabin. It was only $50. It was on the Player Club, or the Players Club. Got plenty of cabinet space. We have the safe back over here. Show you the inside of the bathroom real quick. Shower. Looks like Alex brought his own body wash stuff. Toilet, towels. I guess that's it. That's our first 360 tour of a ocean view room on the Carnival Paradise. This is room R136, I believe is the number, and we're on the 4th floor. All right, thank you guys. See ya.